Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Just let me pack up your past. I got you diamonds and chains. I'm running out with the ride. #1, ain't nobody can match. Pull up and have some fun. I'll make you leave in a slide. Tell me what you want. Just let me pack up your past. I got you diamonds and chains. I'm running out with the ride. Yeah, I'm #1, ain't nobody can match. Pull up and have some fun. I'll make you leave in a slide. Tell me what you want. Just let me pack up your past. I got you diamonds and chains. I'm running out with the ride. Yeah, I'm #1, ain't nobody can match. Pull up and have some fun. I'll make you leave in a snap. Yeah, I might just drop it back. Oh fuck, no strings attached. Get her to call me dad. These diamonds never crack. Told her don't call my Sally. Too busy dropping Benjis. I'm dropping K's on Fendi. You want to, you can't end me. Found an art cover, I'ma turn her to a widow. Riding with a dot in the back of the limo. Bass hits tall, yeah, fat like a kilo. A6 on, you whack, I got Dio. Got a bright white keys for the bright white lamb. If you fuck with me, it'll hurt, goddamn. With my side piece of my store downtown. Say you can't beat me, so just write that down.
I know just what you want, to ride a new Ferrari. Pull up and have some fun, girl, I just love the story. I keep on getting bags, ain't never coming back. I'm beating everybody
Tell
in the
me
world.
what you want. Just let me pack up your past. I got you diamonds and chains. I'm running out with the ride. Yeah, I'm #1, ain't nobody can match. Pull up and have some fun. I'll make you leave in a slide. Tell me what you want. Just let me pack up your past. I got you diamonds and chains. I'm running out with the ride. Yeah, I'm #1, ain't nobody can match. Pull up and have
2,000 years later.
It's been a couple since I last heard ya. I've been looking everywhere for ya. How would you feel when you needed someone to hold on to? They turn their back, ain't no turning back. I suppose you couldn't care anymore. I wasn't really there anymore. Laid out with that nice shit, had to jump up in it. Pushed you to the side, thought I'd only take a minute. Could never be a psychic like Cleo. I knew way more than anything. If I be anything, it'd be because of you. Had to hold the vibe just to make it through. I couldn't come alive though I wanted to. Now isn't that a crime? I was all alone, raging battles in my mind. Thought you would be there if I made it back in time. But time just took forever and I couldn't see the signs. And now I'm stuck here in the living room. The music plays but I can't feel the groove. Yeah, I'm just here, you know I wanna find a perfect